The 2012 Mercedes C-Class Coupe by Prior Design. Mercedes is preparing to unveil the next generation C-Class sometime in 2014, but until then, the tuners are paying their attention to the current generation and they are updating the look of the model by as much as possible. For example, Prior Design has prepared a very cool aerodynamic kit for the C-Class Coupe that gives the sports coupe the look of the Black Series models. The exterior package includes a new front bumper with spoiler and LED daytime running lights, new front fender with cooling vents, new side skirts, a rear bumper with diffuser and rear flares. All the components of the tuning kit are made in DURA-FLEX, a high-quality material, characterized by excellent surface structure that provides sufficient flexibility and stability. The price for the entire kit is €7,900, about $10,500 at the current exchange rates. All the parts of the kit are easily paintable to match your Benz.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.